Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Aparna and you all are welcome to my channel. Friends, achieving healthy teeth takes a lifetime care. Even if you have been told that you have a nice set of teeth, it's crucial to take right step to prevent problems and keep your teeth healthy. This involves not just right oral care products but also being mindful of daily oral habits. So learn the best 12 ways to keep your teeth healthy, and if you like the video, subscribe to our channel to more videos like this. Keep watching. The first and the most important way to keep your teeth healthy is brushing them twice daily. Use a small head brush as it gives access to the difficult areas. Use a soft brush over the medium, but if you have more plaque deposit tendency, then I recommend to use a medium brush. Brush your teeth at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Brush in a circular motion. Avoid brushing in the horizontal manner, as that way it not just damage your teeth but it also damage your gums. Avoid brushing immediately after eating, as when we eat it increases the acid level in mouth and immediate brushing can damage your teeth more. Now coming to the flossing part, you can floss daily, especially at bedtime. It not just remove the soft food debris in between the teeth, but it also stimulate gums, keep them healthy, reduce the plaque and lower the inflammation. After brushing and flossing, scrape off your tongue with the tongue cleaner, as keeping your tongue healthy is also important part for your healthy oral habit. Now when it comes to choosing a toothpaste, think about brightening power or the flavor. Choose a toothpaste which contains fluoride, as it's a leading defense against the tooth decay. It provides protective barrier for your teeth, it protects the enamel, it makes it harden and reduce the tooth decay. Advertisement seems to make mouthwash necessary for good oral health. Yes friends, they are telling you the right thing. It reduces the acid in mouth, it cleans the areas hard to brush around the gums. It's an adjunct that brings things into the balance. Use a cap full of mouthwash. If you cannot tolerate the taste, add equal amount of water. Swish for 30 seconds. Before and after doing mouthwash at least for 40 minutes. Do not wash your mouth or eat or drink anything. So coming to the fourth thing, drinking more water. Yes friends, drinking more water reduces dryness in mouth and indirectly it prevents the tooth decay. It washes out the negative effect of sticky and acidic food in between the brushing. Those people who are on certain medication causing dry mouth, drinking more water can help them to prevent furthermore tooth decay. Limit sugary and acidic food. Ultimately, sugar converts into acid and that way it erodes the protective layer of teeth, that is enamel. The acids are the lead cause of tooth cavities. Citrus fruit, tea, coffee also lead to the increased acid in mouth and that way it damages the enamel. Although it's not necessarily to avoid them completely, but there is no harm in being mindful and limit the quantity. Ready to eat food seems to be more convenient, perhaps not for your teeth. Eat crunchy fruit and vegetables which contain lots of fibers. It's not just good for your health but it's also good for your teeth, as it works as a self-cleanser. Avoid processed food. Avoid cutting salads into the tiny pieces. Let your jaw work. This tip is especially for those who enjoy adventurous activities such as scuba diving. It is always advised a pre-dive dental visit as a preventive measure to avoid dental barotrauma. Conditions such as temporary fillings, temporary crowns, severe gum problems, or secondary decays can get worse if you don't get the permanent treatment before you go for diving. Our teeth are made for eating and chewing. Avoid using them for opening bottles, rip-off packages, chewing on hard objects such as pen, pencil or pins, or cracking on nuts. It increases the risk of fracture or chip off the enamel. So avoid doing such things. Even a knocked out tooth can be saved if you know how to do it right way. Seek for dental help immediately. Meanwhile, wash the tooth if it's dirty for not more than 10 seconds. Do not touch the root part. Keep it in saline or keep it in cold milk. The best way to preserve it, keep into mouth, as saliva is the best preservative, but it's not recommended for kids as it can cause choking hazard in them. Now coming to the 10th point, protect your teeth from injury. Mouth guard is recommended for the sports person. Other than that, it's also recommended for people who have habit of night grinding. Using mouth guard protect your teeth from chipping or even fracture. Chewing on tobacco or smoking has negative effect not just on your teeth, but it damages your gums and also damage other oral tissues. They are the leading cause of oral cancer, so quit the habit now. Last but not the least, seal of the trouble. Those who have family tendency of tooth decay or cavities, I personally recommend to get sealant done for all the back teeth, as that way you can prevent the cavities and prevent the tooth decay. Thank you for watching. To know more about oral health, prevention of decay and treatments, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for the latest video update. Keep watching and stay fit.